What if I told you that you could stop worrying about money and start making your savings work for you? Financial freedom isn't about earning a huge salary. It's about making smart money moves. Today, I'll show you exactly how to save aggressively and invest wisely in Singapore's best income-generating assets, so you can build passive income and retire early. Make sure to stay till the end, because I'll reveal the best strategy to maximize your passive income in Singapore. Like this video and subscribe to WealthForYou so you never miss out on financial freedom tips. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions. Investments come with risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Step 1. Save as much as possible. Let's be real. Saving money isn't fun, but it's the first step to financial freedom. Imagine this. Chris, a regular guy from Singapore, used to spend mindlessly, grabbing expensive coffee, upgrading his phone every year, dining at fancy places just because he could. But one day, he had a wake-up call. He realized that no matter how much he earned, his bank account was never growing. So he started tracking every single dollar using a notepad. Sounds extreme? Maybe. But within a decade, he built a 7-figure portfolio, all because he mastered the art of saving. Here's what you can learn from him. Reduce food expenses. You don't need to eat at fancy restaurants. Hawker Center meals are just as satisfying at a fraction of the cost. Think about it. Spending $15 per meal at a cafe versus $5 at a hawker stall could save you over $6,000 a year. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean you need to upgrade your car, gadgets, or wardrobe. The richest people don't always look rich. Track your spending manually. Apps are convenient, but writing down each expense forces you to think before you spend. That's why old-school budgeting methods like Chris's SAF notepad work so well. The goal? Save at least 50% of your salary and allocate it to investments. Step 2. Invest your savings into passive income assets. Once you've built up substantial savings, the next step is to make your money work for you. In Singapore, dividend investing is one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom. Investment options. Here are 3 powerful investment options that generate steady passive income. 1. Singapore Dividend Stocks. DBS, UOB, OCBC. Singapore's big 3 banks have been increasing their dividends over the years. DBS, UOB, and OCBC pay around 5 to 6% dividend yield, making them attractive for passive income. During market downturns, they may be temporarily affected, but they are financially strong and resilient over the long term. If you're new to dividend investing, start with Singapore banks. They offer strong and stable dividends. 2. Singapore blue-chip REITs, CapitaLand, Mapletree, Frasers. REITs own real estate assets like shopping malls, offices, and industrial buildings, and distribute rental income as dividends. Blue-chip REITs like CapitaLand Integrated Commercial Trust, CICT, Mapletree Industrial Trust MIT, and Frasers Centrepoint Trust FCT have strong sponsors and reliable cash flow. In a recession, shopping mall REITs are defensive. People will always need groceries, healthcare, and basic shopping. Focus on blue-chip REITs with strong tenants and long leases to protect your income during downturns. 3. Singapore REIT ETF, CFA ETF, best for beginners. If you don't want to pick individual REITs, the CFA REIT ETF is a great alternative. This ETF holds multiple Singapore REITs, diversifying your risk while still paying a 5 to 6% dividend yield. Easier to manage, lower risk, and still provides passive income. If you prefer a hands-off approach, buy CFA ETF to get exposure to multiple high-quality REITs without picking individual stocks. Why it is a good time to invest now. Right now, there's a big shift happening in the financial markets. Institutional investors are moving money into safe income-generating assets like Singapore REITs and dividend stocks. U.S. stocks are highly volatile, but Singapore dividend stocks and REITs remain attractive for passive income. Interest rates are expected to drop in 2025. This is good for REITs, as borrowing costs decrease and their prices increase. Don't wait too long. Investing in high-yield dividend assets now will lock in your returns before prices rise. Final thoughts. Your roadmap to financial freedom. Financial freedom is not a dream, it's a series of smart financial decisions. Here's your step-by-step game plan. Step 1. Save aggressively. Track every expense, cut unnecessary spending, and aim to save at least 50% of your income. The more you save, the faster you can invest. Step 2. Invest those savings. Build a portfolio of Singapore dividend stocks, blue-chip REITs, or REIT ETFs to create a steady passive income stream. Step 3. Stay invested for the long term. Dividends and reinvestments compound over time, turning a few $100s per month into a financially free lifestyle. The goal? A passive income stream that covers your living expenses, so you can work because you want to, not because you have to. Comment below. What's your investment strategy for financial freedom? Let's learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to WealthForYou, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future wealth-building insights. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next video.